welcome back to my channel. I know it's been long, but a few weeks ago I visited Durban, went on a mini vacation with my best friend, and per usual I shot a video to show you all the fun things that you can do in KZN and where to eat and where to party and where to have the best drinks. So come along, watch this video. Remember to subscribe, to like this video, to comment, and to ring that bell so that every time I post a new video, you don't miss out. Let's go. One, watch the waves. I find watching the ocean to be very therapeutic. Every time I dip my feet in the sand and the water touches my feet, I feel like a completely new person. It's really beautiful. These flip-flops were sponsored by Placky SA. Check them out, they have very interesting products. Oh hey, don't forget to dive into the ocean if that's your thing. You might bump into a shark or two. I'm joking, kidding, totally kidding. Well, I don't know. My favorite, boat riding. Well, this activity you do at Ushaka Marine World. They have all sorts of boats to choose from. You can take a bay, bass, you can row, whatever you are comfortable with really. Ranging from 100 Rand per 30 minutes per person. This was really one of my most favorite things to do because I love water and I love beautiful spaces, so I got to do both at the same time and spend time with my bestie. A picnic on the beach is just another way for you to bask in the sun, take in all the vitamin D, feel beautiful and sexy, and listen to the waves of the ocean, which I really loved doing because that's like therapy for me. Bond with whoever you are taking this trip with and have a snack, have a drink on the beach. And remember to pick up your trash when you leave because it's up to all of us to protect the earth and her sea and all the life in it. We are hiring bikes because we're bike riding today. One of the fun activities that one can do in Durban. I can see the ocean from here. Yeah, so we wanted to cycle on South Beach, so we hired our bikes at an entity over there for just $60 per person per hour. Yeah, I can't get over the beach. So beautiful. I love the waves. You can also go beer tasting at Waterfront. One of the restaurants in the entity produces their own beer, and they are always willing to let you taste what they make. Loved it. Where to eat and drink. There's Cubana on Florida. This is more if you're looking for like a night out to party, something of that vibe. And then there's Plus 258, still on Florida, for the best service ever, and for Mozambique culinary and cultural experience. It was something else, something super different, a great experience, and yeah, just basically what I loved the most was their service. Have a cocktail on the beach. There's ample restaurants to choose from on South Beach, so just head over there and indulge. Whoop, and then this tiger milk. I loved it. There you can eat and drink and party a little bit, but it's just a nice vibe to hang. Plus you can see the ocean a little bit from where we were sitting if you like go upstairs. And then they have this really interesting album, or I don't know what to call it, like a wall where they have pictures of the most random and most interesting things. Did you just see that guy's nipple over there? And there's people kissing. It's just so interesting. I thought I needed to capture this to share. And then there's Wish. I loved it so much. I went back twice. Their food is so incredible. Their service is amazing. And they make the best rib that I've ever had. Ever. And for a calming food experience, grab a late lunch at Waterfront while you overlook the ocean and watch the sunset and just take in being in this beautiful city. Thank you ever so much for watching. Let's connect on Instagram at Mojabeng Ndebele. Catch up on more of my videos right here on my channel. Tell me what you like and what you'd like to see more of. Mwah.